Center Southwest 1380, flight level 300 for 380.
Southwest 1380, New York, hello. Oh, you don't, just put her in, D-I-N-S-A. Southwest 1380, New York. Southwest 1380, if you're trying to get me, all I hear is static.
Southwest 1380 has an engine fire descending.
Southwest 1380, you're descending right now?
Yes, sir, we're single engine descending, have a fire number 1.
Alright, Southwest 1380, okay, where would you like to go to? Which airport?
Give us a vector for your closest.
Okay.
Philadelphia.
We're flying 250.
Okay, heading 250. We're looking at Philly. That's
Southwest 1380, roger. And stand by. Southwest 1380 to the Philadelphia airport. Direct.
Direct Philadelphia, direct. Southwest 1480.
Center Blue Street 5067, 20.8 for 230.
What was that? I'm sorry.
Blue Street 5067, 21.4 for 230.
Blue Street 567. Southwest 1380, do you have traffic just below you?
Say again for Southwest 1380.
Southwest 1380, New York.
Southwest 1380, go ahead.
Southwest 1380, understand, so there's a fire, you're a single engine for the fire?
Actually, we're no fire now, but we are single engine.
Okay, you are single engine now. Okay, so the next facility, I guess it's, can you maintain 11,000?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 1380, instead of maintaining 11,000.
Okay, down to 11,000.
You're on 4919, fly maintain, level 320, Psycho.
Alright, up to 320, direct Psycho, 4919.
Southwest 1380, just so I can understand, you said that you are still single engine, and what else?
Okay, Southwest 1380, we're single engine, that's it.
Okay, single engine. Maintain 11,000, you need anything standing by on the truck?
Yes, if you would, have them roll the trucks. It's on the engine number 1, captain's side.
Okay, thank you. Southwest 1380, contact New York Center 135.45.
3545, good day.
Southwest 1458, turn right heading 180, expedite your descent to 2100 and get you right in.
Okay, 2100, right turn, Southwest 1458.
We need a single channel, no more channel switching.
Southwest 1380, you're on approach frequency 128.4, you're where you should be, maintain 4,000, and do you need any further assistance from me? What type of final do you want? I heard short, or long.
Yeah, we're going to need a long final.
Okay, I'm going to let you drive until you tell me you want to turn base, okay? So that'll be at least a 25-mile final. Longer than that, I'll have to do some coordination, but that'll be fine. We'll get that done for you. You let me know when you want to come in.
Okay, 20 is good, and we may need shorter here in a moment. Tell me the runway we're setting up for.
We're going to set up for
Say again.
Southwest 1380. You'll be landing 27 left today. And you just let me know when you need to turn base. Right now, I only have one person in front of you, which is a Southwest, but I'm sure he'll pull off if you need to go right in.
Southwest 1458, we got...
Okay.
Southwest 1458, clear visual approach 27 right, keep your speed up. I'd like to get you on the ground before I have to turn her base.
After that, speed up, clear visual 27 right.
Okay, center.
Southwest 1380. 1380, I got a 1458 on frequency. I just cleared him for the approach. Southwest 1380. I understand your emergency. Let me know when you want to go in.
Yeah, we have a part of the aircraft missing, so we're going to need to slow down a bit.
Southwest 1380, speed is your discretion. maintain at any altitude above 3,000 feet, and you let me know when you want to turn base.
All right. Down to 3,000. 210 on the speed.
Absolutely. You just let me know anything you need. American 1894, descend and maintain 6,000, then reduce speed to 170.
Down 6,000, speed 170, American 1894.
436.25, fly heading 040, and reduce speed to 170.
040, speed 170, 436.25.
Mercury 4656, 10,000 Foxtrot.
Frontier 1052, Philly approach, altimeter 297, fly 27 right. Southwest 1458, give me the best forward speed, please, and towers 18.5.
That's forward 18.5, 14.
Fairwing 714, direct peace out.
Direct peace out, fairwing 714.
Southwest 1380, you'd like to start turning inbound. And
Southwest 1380, just start turning southbound there. There's a Southwest 737 on a 4-mile final. We'll be turning southbound. Start looking for the airport. It's off to your right and slightly behind you there. And altitude is your discretion. Use caution for the downtown area. Advise you maintain at about 2,200 for the MVA.
okay, could you have the medical meet us there on the runway as well? We've got injured passengers.
Injured passengers, okay. And is your airplane physically on fire?
No, it's not on fire, but part of it's missing. They said there was a hole and someone went out.
I'm sorry, you said there was a hole and somebody went out? Southwest 1380, it doesn't matter. We'll work it out there. So the airport's just off to your right. Report it in sight, please.
In sight. Southwest 1380, airport's in sight.
Southwest 1380, you're cleared. Visual approach 27 right. Contact the tower on 118.5. Southwest 13, I'm sorry, clear visual approach 27 left. 27 left and towers on 18.5.
We're going on 27 left. Switching tower. Good day.
Philly Tower Gamage at 515. Requesting 26 if it's available.
Gamage at 515. I can proceed inbound for now. Let me do some coordination, see if I can get 26 free standby.
Okay.
Gamage at 515. You can change to run right 26. I'll have a landing clearance here for you shortly.
Continue to 26.
Gamage at 515. Run right 26. Clear to land 1280 at 16.
Clear to land.
Gamage at 515. Turn right when you're able. Taxi to Atlantic this frequency.
Okay, we can make altitude and right into the land. Thank you. Tower Skywest 3530, visual 27 right.
Skywest 3530, Philly Tower, wind 280 at 16, gust 24, right 27 right, clear to land.
27 right, clear to land, Skywest 3530.
Skywest 3530, turn right when you're able, right turn Kilo Kilo 3 and spot 9, contact ramp 2, have a good day.
Alright, return able, Kilo Kilo 3, spot 9, ramp, Skywest 3530. Tower Southwest 1458, visual for 27 right.
Southwest 14 to 58, you can cancel your approach clearance. I need you to make a left turn heading on 180 and climb and maintain at 3,000. The emergencies needs to come in right now.
Okay, climb and maintain 3,000, heading 180, Southwest 1458.
Southwest 14 at 58, contact approach on 128.4.
24, yeah. Tower Southwest 1380, landing on 27 right.
Southwest 1380, you want to land 27 right?
27 left, I'm sorry, 27.
Southwest 1380, run right 27 left, clear to land, wind 280 at 19, gust 25.
27 left to land, Southwest 1380.
Southwest 1380, right turn when you're able. You want to stop wherever you need to is fine.
Thank you. We're going to stop right here by the fire truck. Thanks, guys, for the help.
frequency for our fire chief?
Southwest 1380, if you go over to 135.1, they'll be there.
1351.